Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to switch Trello into dark mode in 2025. Dark mode is easier on eyes and it's going to give your workspace a modern look as well. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on Trello.com and then log into your account. Over here, you will see your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. So you can click over here on this page, then click on the option of themes. Over here, you will see that it is going to give you three different options. The light theme is the theme that is by default, but since we want to use the dark theme, you can select the dark theme. It is also going to match your system's theme. So if you are using the dark theme in your Windows PC or laptop, it is going to select that automatically and it will create that particular theme in your Trello account as well. So after selecting dark, you are done with the creating of the dark mode in your Trello board. Now you can also access the same option even if you are inside your workspace. So over here you will see the list of all of the boards that you have created. If you want to create a new board, you can also click over here on the option of create a new board. Then you can provide the board title. You can select any of the backgrounds over here, select the visibility of your board, and you can create it. Once you are inside your board, you can also again click on the account option here in the top right hand corner of the screen, then click on the option of theme and select the dark theme. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just let me know that in the comment section below and I'm here to help you out. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.